this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we are doing SheModern Saturday. We have a black nail here. We are going to be marbling. So I've got my opaque white stamping polish. I'm going to use that for my Smokey. We are taking a brush and some water. This is water paint. I'm going to saturate my brush here just to get a little bit flimsy side going. Whoopsie. Gonna get messy already. You gotta kind of work quickly. I got fans going in my room, and this is probably gonna dry quickly on me here. Just take your brush and kind of thin it out. I am using, I got jelly blue, pink, green, and yellow. I'm going to pop these babies open. I thought they already were, but my bad. They do have metal balls inside, so you can give them a nice little shake. Give each one of them a shake because they have been sitting. The green here is a neon, in case you want to know that. Okay, here we go. We've got them all open. We open all my bottles. I think this blue is going to be really beautiful in there, along with the green too. Take your bottle, take your brush it up nice and easy. Get your yellow. And that yellow looks like a gold. Metallic yellow. That's not my jelly. Shoot. Man. I'm getting my blue. And my pink. We're going to let these air dry. I think this looks really super cute. Really cute. I just wish I hadn't used the metallic. We're going to be top coating this, but we do need to wait for this to dry. This is jelly water paints. And they should dry kind of on the matte side. So we will wait. Alrighty, we are back. The nail singular is dry now. think that turned out really cute. Not a fan of the metallic in this scenario here, but we're going to go with it. It's already done. We are using PG's Top Coats. This is a sister company of Umik, which is a UK brand. This is a no wipe top coat, and it is a glossy top coat, and I really like it a lot. Get you a nice bead and float it over your image or your nail art. And there you go. There's your smoky nail. We're going to pop this in the lamp, give this a cure for 60 seconds. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, uploads, and giveaways. Stay tuned. I'm having a giveaway on Instagram. It should be starting very soon. I'm just gathering sponsors. I am JUST.NAILEDIT. I will have UK gifts as well as USA, so stay tuned and check that out. Make sure you follow me, because that'll be the most important rule. You have to follow me and the sponsors. So far I've got 3 or 4 lined up, 2 for US, 2 for UK. But stay tuned. We'll follow. Oh shoot. Oh, I'm knocking everything over. Go follow me on Instagram. That way when the giveaway starts, you will be notified. I just made a huge mess off to the side here with the water paints. Let me close these up before I spill any more. What a mess I've made. What a mess. What a mess I have made that, man. So make sure you check out me on Instagram. Check out SheModern Creative Nail Art, SheModern here on YouTube, as well as Instagram for all her demos, videos, live. She goes live 4 or 5 times a week. 10 a.m. Eastern. I don't know if we're in Eastern Standard Time, Eastern Daylight Time, something like that, but she's Pacific, I think, on the West Coast. She goes live at 7 a.m. out in California, so just do times accordingly. She goes roughly sometimes an hour, hour and a half. But, so check her out, subscribe, follow on Instagram. Leave me a comment down below if you've tried the water paints, the jellies, the stickies, or the opaques. Let me know what you think of them. I'm really curious. Next week I think we're going to do some nail stamping, and then with the sticky polishes. And then we'll get the jellies out. Maybe the metallics, but not in this case. I had these along with my green, wherever that went. Here we go. This is a green, neon green. These are just the regular jellies. But if you've had some experience with them already, let me know. Here's our smoky nail. I think this turned out really cute. Wish I'd have known that was some metallics. I wouldn't have went with them in this case. I would have done something else. Maybe an orange. That would have been cute. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. And we'll see you next Saturday. Have yourself a blessed day. And thank you.